Hello, good evening, friends. This is our gym here. It's a Halpin house. There is a gym inside. You see all the weights are here, small, big, and well equipped gym. You can see this another for the leg pushers and all. On electric, there's a various numbers menu tracking, and you can play all the games slow, right, for the calves. This is this is life fitness. This is running belt. You can say it's a highly workout press quick start. It's the belt is running like anything. This is again for the legs. Heart rate fully equipped on everything. This is for the back as well as this kind of exercise. This is for thighs and calves. This machine. This shoulder press. This is for the shoulder press. For this is leg, and this machine is a shoulder press. This is for leg extensions. Leg extensions. It comes okay. So basically, again, this is for toes and calves. This one upright, and this is for the bicycle experience. And you can run it like this is the big program of bicycle. So guys, this is fully equipped for me who I'm working here, and I have a kitchen here. All floors have the kitchen. I will show you some of the how the LHR's lower ground floor is: main entrance, reception, lounge, TV room. We have TV room, everything. Then lower ground floor, news rooms and vending area, laundry. There's one kitchen is inside, like this big kitchens are there inside. On floor, laundry are here, well equipped. So I will show you the laundry to you. Okay, so this is the laundry, the gym and the laundry. And the down floor, see that here two washing machines, 3.50 pounds each, and here the two dryers you can see. For this kind of setting is we have here in Lha Halpin house. So guys, thank you very much. Have a nice time. Take care. See you. Bonjour.